Day 6 was a chill day after a peaceful night of boondocking in Sequoia National Forest. Once again, the mountains created a challenge. There was no road continuing directly through the Sierra Nevada, so we had to take another detour west out of the mountains. The towering forest faded into rolling golden grasslands before we entered California's agricultural corridor once again. It is one of the most productive farming regions in the country. We drove past endless rows of almond, orange, and peach trees. We then stopped in Fresno at a local park so I could get some cell service and internet access to finalize plans for the next few days of the adventure. After getting things lined up, we climbed our way back into the mountains and headed north toward Yosemite National Park. Along the way, we stopped for a hidden gem, Lewis Creek National Scenic Trail. The 4-mile hike follows the creek through a beautiful forested canyon as it climbs toward the lower Corlew Falls. The slick granite rocks continued testing out my limited balancing skills as we followed the river. Isaiah, on the other hand, moved across the rocks and logs like he had been doing it his entire life. Meanwhile, I took my time, carefully analyzing every step and move before taking it. Utilizing a stutter step technique, I found it hard to commit. I eventually ended up just committing to full lunges across the gaps. After reaching the top of the lower Corlew Falls, we found a steep side trail leading down to the base. Using a rope for support, we slowly descended the loose dirt slope until we reached the bottom. After crossing a log over the stream, we finally got an incredible view of the waterfall rushing down through the canyon. Once we hiked back to the van, we continued north toward our next boondocking spot in the Sierra National Forest, where we camped beneath another grove of giant sequoias. We gathered some wood and prepared a fire to cook chicken enchiladas in the cast iron pot over the hot coals. We then rested for the night to prepare for the next day at Yosemite National Park.